Okay, so your patient weighs 13 kilograms. You're trying to figure out what his 24-hour maintenance fluid requirements are. So what is the first thing you do for this? Okay, so for the formula for figuring out your patient's 24-hour fluid requirements is you basically subtract 10 from the 13 kilograms, and that's your first grouping of 10 kilograms. So for the first grouping of 10 milligrams, or 10 kilograms, you're gonna multiply the 10 by 100. The 10, sorry, yeah, up there. By 100, which gives you 1,000 milligrams. Milliliters, I'm so sorry. And then I like to block it off to show that that's final. You're gonna have that as part of your final answer. And then for the second grouping, anything over 10 and under 20, which we have 3, you're gonna multiply by 50. So take your remainder of 3 and multiply it by 50 milliliters. And that gives you 150 milliliters. And then for reference, there is a third tier. Anything over 20 kilograms is multiplied by 20 milliliters, but we don't have a remainder here. So we just add the 1,000 milliliters to the 150 milliliters, which gives us a 24-hour fluid maintenance requirement of 1,150 milliliters. And then to figure out our hourly fluid rate from our 24-hour fluid rate, we need to just multiply that 1,150 number by 24, which gives us 47. It gives us 47.91, but since it's over 1 milliliter, we're gonna round it to the 10th place, which just gives us 47.9. And then the next part of the question, the doctor then orders these fluids to be run at, it says 80% of maintenance. So we need to figure out what 80% of 1,150 milliliters is. So we take 11.
Change your little zero.
Oh yeah, the 0 on the second.
Your 1,050 milliliters, change that to
a 1. Yeah, there you go. And so to figure out what 80% of 1,150 is, we take 1,150 and multiply it by 0.80. You just move the decimal 2 places to the left. So if it was 150%, you just move it to the left, it'd be 1.5. And so 0.80 times 1,150 gives us 920 milliliters. And that is our 80% of fluid maintenance requirements. And then to figure out the hourly with that, we just again divide it by 24, which gives us 38.3 milliliters per hour to run his fluids at 80% of maintenance.
Oh, 37.5.
Yeah. Woo, very well done.